After combing the area for microscopic clues, including hair samples, the next step for team members is to get a cast of the giant impression. Using more than 200 pounds of plaster, they carefully fill the cast, then use aluminum tent poles to reinforce it. After setting, it's wedged out of the ground to be sent north for expert examination. In a laboratory in Seattle, 120 miles from the national park, Animal X assembled some of the world's most regarded experts in the Bigfoot research field. The team consists of physical anthropologist Dr. Grover Krantz, who has studied evidence of Bigfoot for the past 30 years. Dr. Jeff Meldrum, an associate professor of anatomy and anthropology, who has expert knowledge of how primates move. Dr. Henner Fahrenbach, a biomedical research scientist and Bigfoot hair expert. And Richard Knoll, who brings his expertise in aerospace engineering to isolate significant parts of the cast with one of the world's most sophisticated electronic measuring devices. Together, they determine the significance of the Skookum cast and look for detailed clues about the creature that they believe created it.
We're using the Leica laser tracker to map the surface in 3D. And if we rotate it, we're going to see what the cast look like. It sort of takes the same shape as the cast itself.
This is a painstaking process, but a state-of-the-art method that eventually draws a clearer picture of the cast.
It's a very small part of the cast, possibly a square foot of the hip area. We still have quite a bit to go.
Dr. Grover Krantz examines the cast with the same attention to detail. His trained eye and a lifetime of experience in the Bigfoot field, plus his work as a physical anthropologist, leads him to agree these confusing bumps and ridges were made by a living Sasquatch.
It certainly looks like a Sasquatch was thrashing around on the ground there. Getting exact measurements was very difficult. I'm not sure that this can be very precise, but I'm quite impressed with its legitimacy.
Dr. Jeff Meldrum and Dr. Grover Krantz discuss the finer details of the positioning of the beast.
Here, slid over here, and then plunk, plunk. And this is the thing that's kind of...
Dr. Meldrum has spent many hours poring over this cast in detail.
For me personally, perhaps the most significant finding is the presence of what appear to be dermatoglyphics, which are the skin ridge patterns on the soles of the feet that are evident on these heel imprints. Those features are very diagnostic because they are characteristic of primates and are not found on the feet of any other animal that, any other common animal to the woods that might have been responsible for this imprint.
Over the years, there have been numerous footprints found with these dermal ridge patterns. The information contained in the Skookum cast adds even more information to what a Sasquatch could look like.
We took measurements of what appeared to be the forearm and the thigh, which appear to be internally consistent in proportion, and compared that to the same body segments in a 6-foot male human, and found them to be 40 to 50% longer than those of a 6-foot male. So that suggests a size probably in the range of 8 to 9 feet in height.